Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and safe. Now, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive more appetizing recipes. Today, I'm super excited to share with you another delicious recipe that could help to boost your mood and brighten your day, especially for those of you who are still working from home and might be thinking for a perfect complement of your favorite tea and coffee. One more thing, I highly recommend this lovely recipe because I received a lot of good feedback that this recipe is truly indulging and easy to prepare whenever you have a small gathering or special occasion at home. Now, buckle up because the recipe that I'm going to share with you is none other than my favorite chocolate lava cake.